So I hear you want to start a new business. Well, what's up, honey? What's good? What's stopping you? From my understanding, you're ready to start your lip gloss business. Yes, honey, lip gloss business. So guess what we are doing today? Today, I am going to be telling you guys the DIY version of how to start your own lip gloss business, giving you all of the tips, all of the tools, and everything that you need to be successful in your journey of becoming a lip gloss or a lipstick reseller. Yes, honey, even lipstick can be included into the equation. So if you would like to learn more, or if you've been waiting for this, don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that like button, because you don't want to miss out. I got so much more coming, okay? You don't want to miss out. I'm telling you, you don't. But anyway, so yes, honey, I know you probably, some of you guys are probably already thinking everybody and their mama sell lip gloss, but that's okay. You know, I've told you this before, honey. There's more than enough for us all out there. So don't let nobody stop your shine. Don't let nobody stop your grind. Do you, boo? Everybody is unique. Everybody is special. It's all about doing what you do best, okay? Don't worry about nothing and nobody else, because you got this, okay? So yes, honey, whether it's lipsticks or lip gloss, what have you, you can do it all with all of these tips and all of the tools that I'm going to give you guys. I mean, it's really simple. A lot of people think it takes a lot to start a business, and I'm here to tell you guys it does not take much at all. All it takes is a little time, little dedication, a little motivation, and to step outside of that box, honey. You got to get up out that fear box. You got to let all that fear go. You got to let all of the doubts and all of the what ifs and what if not, you know, like, we got to let that go, okay? Just do it. Just do it, okay? So the first thing you're going to need when it comes to starting your lip gloss business, of course, you want to think about your logo, your branding. What's going to make you unique? What's going to make you special? How are you going to distinguish yourself amongst all of the hundreds and thousands of people already doing this, right? Simple. If you have an idea, draw it out and then get a graphic designer to make it professional looking and make it pop, okay? Just that simple. Don't have an idea, need some help? I got you, boo. Link is in the description. All of the details, everything that you need, yes, I'm listing it below, so don't worry, okay? So yes, think about your colors, think about how you want your packaging to be, think about how you want to deliver it, how you're going to put it out and let everybody see how pretty it's going to be. You know, play around with it and line it up, put it together, and work on making sure that everything is perfect for when it does go out. Coupons and business cards, thank you cards, all of those are wonderful techniques to include into your packaging, because it makes your customers feel special, okay? Just a simple thank you, okay? So basically, let's go over some of the essentials, or the things that you're going to need in order to get everything started. Of course, you're going to need packaging. You're going to need a way to ship everything out. So let's go over packaging first. Your packaging can come in the form of a box, a mailer, those cute little pop-up boxes, or you can even use those cute little baggies, what have you, you know, whatever you're interested in using as your way of packing your products. All of these things can be found via many of websites that are already out and readily available. A couple that I like to use, or a couple that I'm going to mention to you guys that you can use, and you can just play around with it, you know, and find out which one works best for you as far as price range and creativity, you know, making sure that everything suits your needs and it is exactly what you're looking for to help your business grow and glow, okay? So here's a couple of places that I like to consider. You have Paper Mart. You have Pack Lane, U Printing, Fantastipack, Box Up, and the Box Company. Each one of these places carry everything that you can need and more. As you can see, they have boxes, they have satin and organza bags, they have the mailers, they even have the bubble mailers, and each one of these items can also be customized. Like I said, just play around. And the good thing about these particular sites is you have the ability to customize. So you can have your logo imprinted onto your boxes or imprinted onto your mailers, whatever you choose. It will cost a little more, but it's worth it, okay? It's your brand, it's your company, it's your business, so you want to invest in you, boo, okay? And when it comes to sizes of the boxes, you know, you'll have to play around with that. Basically, you want to take your product As you can see, I have several different items here. Just take your largest product. So in my case, product is going to be my lipstick. So just take that and measure it out, and you want to go up an inch or two above that particular product. And again, this works for different products, so not just lip gloss. But that's just something for you to keep in mind when it comes to when it comes to trying to figure out exactly what size box or what size bag you're going to need for your products, okay? Oh, and another thing is they also sell the little shrink wrap paper, like the little plastic that goes around all of your lip gloss, so it makes everything looks like it's sealed safely. You can get those also, especially. And when it comes to your logo, having your logo imprinted onto your little tubes, you can do these at home if you would like. You can go on to Amazon.com and you can get these right here. These are basically some DIY print at home translucent stickers or labels that you can use to put onto your products, okay? If these do not work out for you, or if you do not have a printer for whatever reason, you're more than welcome to go on to Etsy.com. As you can see, there are several different places or several different little businesses that you can choose from within Etsy, and they can create you some really cute little stickers to go on to your lip gloss. That's who I use, and I'll be sure to list exactly the company that I chose to use putting labels on my lip gloss. When you're on these websites, there's usually a pop-up box that comes up and it tells you about how you can save 10% or more. Sign up for that, okay, honey? It's all about the deals, okay? Because we're trying to win too. So sign up for that and get your 10% off, or your free package, or your free logo, or free shipping, whatever the case may be, honey. Whatever they're offering, get it, okay? Because it'll come in hand, trust me. Some things to note about these websites also is the fact that a lot of them have low MOQ, which is minimum order quantity. That is really good, especially when you're just starting off. So like if you just need 1 box, 2 boxes, 5, 1,000 boxes, whatever the case may be, you can order as many or as little as you need, okay? And not break the bank. Yeah, not break the bank. So again, like I said, you can use these websites for packaging for many different types of things. So you can use it for hair, you can use it for lashes, you can use it for lip gloss, you can use it for whatever your case may be, okay? They even go up big enough for sizes for you to use for shoes, etc. So yeah, don't worry, honey, you can use that site in more than one way, okay? And next we're going to talk about where you can get your actual lip gloss base and your lip gloss essentials and needs, okay? And I say lip gloss needs and essentials, of course I'm talking about the lip gloss, and I'm also talking about other things as such like the vegetable oil or the coconut oil, vitamin E, whatever you decide that you're going to put inside of your lip gloss to lock in more moisture and to keep the lips so smooth and nice, or whatever you're going to use in your lipstick to keep the lips nice and smooth, okay? You can find all of these items on these websites. The first site is going to be Amazon. As you can see here on Amazon, you can get everything that you need. You can get the lip gloss base, you can get the vitamins, you can get the minerals, you can get everything that you need right here in one place. Another place that you can get, which is where I usually get my lip gloss base from, is TKB Trading. TKB Trading, they offer everything that you need when it comes to starting a lip gloss, nail polish, lipstick, whatever the case is. They have everything that you could ever imagine on this website. The only thing about them is they are a bit pricey, so I'm not going to tell you're not going to spend a pretty penny. My thing is whatever you could do it for the low. I'm all about saving coins, so that you can make some coins, okay? You got to be able to invest a little but also be able to receive, okay? So you want to be able to win on each end, as much as you can. So you have Amazon, you have TKB Trading, and lastly you have AliExpress. AliExpress is one of my favorite places to shop at, okay? Each one of these sites, they carry everything that you need. Not only the bottling, not only the packaging, not only the labeling, like they each carry everything that you need. They also have the coloring. Yes, the coloring, mica powder, and make sure that whatever glitter you're deciding to use, make sure that it is also food grade essential. As you can see, it gives you all of the supplies and tools that you need here as well. You got the syringe that you need, you have the pipettes that you need, and you'll need some gloves, of course, to make sure that you keep everything sanitary and clean, and you'll need a clean bowl or two so that you can mix the colors in the various ways that you decide, okay? And this way you don't have to worry about contamination or cross-contamination, okay? So yeah, honey, that's it in a nutshell. That is it. It's just that simple. As simple as 1, 2, 3. And again, if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to email me and let me know, and I'll answer those for you. I'll be sure again to put everything in the description so that you can see. And I hope that you guys found this video very helpful. Don't forget, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go, and I can't wait to see you back. Comment down below and let me know if I can help you out with any other business needs, honey. What else are you trying to start? What else do you need help with? Because I got you, boo. Period. Thank you. I love you guys. Bye, baby.